नमस्कार दोस्तों, in this video we are going to unbox this Morpheus brandy. It's a beautiful brandy, and let's see how it tastes and what information is there on the bottle and the box. So this Morpheus name is basically is a name of the god whose image is there on the top. He is a winged Greek god, and on the name of whom this brandy is labeled. Then it's written extra old. XO is extra old, that means it is matured for a longer time. And it's also says it's a blended premium brandy, so that means it's a blend of brandy from various years. So this information is there on the top, and then it's written that this richly layered sterling extra old blended brandy named after Morpheus, the winged Greek god of dreams, is redolent of an alluring mythic world with its exceptional aroma and aftertaste. That's great. And over here it's written that it's a product of Radico. Okay, basically a Radico Khitan Limited. So Radico Khitan Limited is a company which produces lots of spirits in India, and they produce brandy at Rampur, and Rampur, the distillery name is Rampur Distillery. So Radico Khitan basically brought this Rampur Distillery, and now they own this distillery. So this is one of the oldest distillery of India. This is made in India, so that's good. Make in India we have over here. Consumer care number is written, and email address is written if you have any complaint. It says that net content is 750 ml and 25-degree proof is there, and the alcoholic content in the bottle is 42.8 volume by volume. So this is it, and the ingredients over here are mentioned as demineralized water, spirit, grain, neutral, Indian and imported matured grapes, contain permitted natural, nature identical and artificial brandy flavorings, substances like resin extract is there, and natural color is also there. Okay, and some of invert sugar has been added to make it little sweet in taste. So that's what the information is there on the box. Let's see what do we have inside the box. In the box we have this beautiful bottle of brandy, and yeah, this is great. This bottle is very beautiful. You can hold it nicely, and the information that is has inside is also similar as it was there on the box. So no difference of information is there, no additional information is there. Morpheus label is there on the top and on the neck and on the bottle as well, on the bottle of front and back of the bottle. So yeah, that's good. Let's see how this brandy tastes. Okay, so let us taste how this brandy is into tasting. Okay, so it's very important to swirl the brandy and then check the aromas. This is intense and very fruity aroma that I am getting on my nose, and I am also getting hint of dried fruits, like raisins. That is was also mentioned onto the bottle itself, that it has additional flavors of raisins, and I am also getting some prunes flavors as well. So that's what I am getting onto my nose, and this is very heavy bodied brandy. It says that it is matured for a longer time, and that is very evident with the taste. And it is sweet because as we have already seen that on the bottle there are additional sweeteners, invert sugar has been added, so that taste is there onto the palate, and it has flavors of matured wood. So that means it is generally matured for a longer time in the oak cask. And on the palate, when it is getting finished, I am getting flavors of vanilla and raisins again. So that's on the palate. So please do try it at your home, and please share your experiences. Know what flavors, what aromas did you get when you taste this brandy. So enjoy alcohol, drink responsibly, and serve responsibly. Thank you.